sports, or 7 apps that are made for Web3 fitness lifestyle. The benefits of fitness are too large and too obvious to mention, so I'm only going to talk to you about the fitness benefits you probably didn't know about. Those that you can get from Web3 space. Special discounts and offers, community support, gamification, crypto rewards, habit tracker, and much, much more. In this lecture, I'll talk about 7 apps that change the way we do sports in Web3. Number 1, Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is a mobile application that motivates users to stay active by rewarding them for their physical activities such as walking. The app tracks the number of steps a user takes and converts them into digital currency, Sweatcoins. Originally, Sweatcoin did not start as a blockchain-based application, but has transformed a couple of years ago. The Sweat economy is powered by what is called the Sweat token and operates on the NEAR protocol, a scalable and energy-efficient blockchain designed for DeFi applications. The Sweat tokens are available as a token on a NEAR and also functions as the ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. As said, users earn digital currency, the Sweatcoins, for their steps, which can be then redeemed for various rewards, including discounts, goods and services within the app's marketplace. Also from the famous brands like Reebok. Also, Sweatcoins offer opportunities to users to participate in charitable events, contribute to social causes by donating their Sweatcoins. The app is stated to be privacy-oriented, since, as the company states, it does not sell user data for profit. It generates revenue from partnerships with businesses who are seeking to connect with the audience. Basically, a win-win situation. Users use the app for rewards given by the partners, and partners get more users to buy their products and services. So for whom is this app? It is for those who want to get rewarded for walking mainly with big discounts in sport shops. Okay, Sweatcoins. That is a mobile app that needs to be installed on the phone to use it, as well as the wallet that comes with it. So this is the landing page. I already have some steps that I have currently made. And you can also see there is 2 different options, the free and the premium one. The whole app is based on the idea that for using it, you get some benefits, some discounts, but also some chances to win. So participation in the different draws. You see here the different discounts that are available, the partner apps, the physical products that come at a big discount if you use the app. The app is connected to your phone, so it is calculating the number of steps you make per day, and it is transferred here. So 8,000 steps something of today could land me into getting some of the things for cheaper, or to win some exclusives, or to win some other prizes. That is in the second button. In the third one, there are also some more draws, more of the luck that I can test. Then the next one is the wallet itself. There is a balance, and I can transfer those into the Sweat wallet. Opening Sweat wallet, here is how it looks like. So it is congratulating me because I got 35.63 Sweat tokens. It is also showing me that I can translate it into some other tokens. I can also receive more tokens if I ask somebody to transfer it to me. I can also create a growth jar that I would put the Sweat coins into this jar, into this virtual jar, and not touch it, and then it will grow by around 12%. Well, I guess the percentage of the growth is also a variable. So this is the wallet where you can also store some other crypto, also the NFTs, and there is also possibility to win a lot of different things. So basically a very entertaining part with a lot of rewards. It also shows the previous draws, what was available before, some gift cards, and also a game. So coming back to this Sweatcoins app itself, I could also show you the last button, that is the clubs. So for instance, I could join one of the clubs, see who is in there, see information about different clubs. So some of them are rather large with 2 million members, some of them are much smaller. You can see the leaderboard, so who is the most active in the club. So basically the social component of this app. There is a lot of different clubs available. I think they are also geography based sometimes. Also, there are other activities that I can do to win some extra. The friends section, so I can see who are my friends who are also using Sweatcoins. I can also add the contacts or share the link through different mainstream applications such as WhatsApp. My profile, I can change in the settings the appearance, so make it darker or lighter. Rate the app. Also, if I choose the app tracking, if I allow it to track my activity, I would, of course, support by giving them the free data, which I'm not going to do. Different bonuses. Okay, deleting account, finding and inviting other friends. This is what the app is allowing you to do today. Next is Mover. Mover is designed as a fitness rewards app aiming to motivate users to stay active and converting their physical activity into rewards. Mover uses blockchain technology, although specific details on how they do this and how it is integrated is not explicitly mentioned. The app focuses on using modern technology to bridge this gap between the brands, sports events, and athletes. The app allows users to earn moves. This is an in-app currency by recording and logging activities such as runs, swims, rides, and so on. The amount of moves earned is calculated based on the algorithm, taking into account time, distance, intensity, and so on. This algorithm aims to level the earning potential for all users, regardless of their fitness level and background. And then users can spend their moves in the Mover marketplace on services or gearing. The marketplace offers a variety of products and is expected to expand with more brand partnerships. Now, what is different is that Mover introduces a concept called Mover Career Rank, which is a part of this motivation design system. Users can level up and earn experience points by being active and also interacting with others on the platform and engaging with the different features. Users can personalize the digital avatar on the app and have control over their activity data, which aligns with the increasing importance of data privacy and user control in digital space. Notably, moves cannot be transferred between users, but users can award each other with moves for participating in challenges. It will be possible to give moves to your favorite team, favorite club, athletes, ambassadors, and also charities in the future, according to the roadmap. So for whom is this app? It is for those who want to receive rewards for a wide choice of physical activities, get additional motivation, such as participating in charities, and have a personal avatar. It also, of course, provides discounts for sports shops, but also it has the motivation design system with the career ranking. And my favorite part, you can create your own sports club. Now about Mover. This is also a mobile app. I have downloaded it. You would need to register. To register, you would need to give your mobile phone number, because through the mobile phone number, you would receive a text message with a code that needs to be inserted to confirm and proceed with the registration. That's what I am doing. Now you need to create a password. Of course, some specifications, at least 8 characters and special symbols. Okay, now my name. I guess I could also provide a pseudonymous. I did not get invited, so there is no invite code. Now I see what is it for. So community, for sports, for completion of challenges, and let's get started. I'm accepting the privacy declaration, and this is the landing page. So this is the feed. So to complete my registration, I also need to give some more information about myself and connect the sports device, fitness device. So there is a large selection of it. I select the Apple because it is then getting the access to the health part of the iPhone. However, I could also potentially afterwards give it some more thought and connect other devices. Then the feed is providing some articles, some information, some updates regarding the mover itself. Then are also the different events. So this could be useful for those who want to participate in the events and be part of some sort of fitness community. Some more also sports news. News relating to the sports science. Then it's also possible to add different activities. Here I have some invites. So I'm invited to complete some of the challenges or some of the activities. For that, I would receive some moves. For instance, here I would get 50 moves for cycling 40 kilometers, which is a little bit challenging for me. There are also some public challenges, public events that you can see here. Then also part about the different clubs. Some of the statistics. For me, it's not so much right now because I have not joined a long time ago. Setting up different parameters could also get me some personalized suggestions, personalized things. Okay, it is now connected to my iPhone and it sees the activities that I did recently. And I can, for instance, do a post or make a message. If I would like to post about some of my activities, I can also create a movement. It's telling me that right now I don't have any connections, but this is something that I can do. I can create a club, for instance, invite only or a public one. This is also something that I would recommend doing if you would like to start your sports club. Next one, the Global Fit Club. It is a blockchain-based fitness platform, creating an immersive ecosystem that pays members for working out. The platform works on the move-to-earn model, where users earn the platform's native cryptocurrency by completing daily workouts. Rewards are based on metrics like calories burned, steps taken, and distance. Also, members become part of the club by purchasing NFTs. These NFTs provide access to various services, including gym services, both online and in-person, discounts on additional services like personal training, and access to free online classes. Simply holding the NFTs in a crypto wallet enables members to receive free tokens, which can be exchanged for fiat currency. The platform has established partnerships with known fitness centers and has gained attention from prominent figures in the fitness and crypto industries. But check if these gyms are available in your region. This app is for those who are willing to pay premium to get unlocked opportunities, but the free part of it is a habit tracker. The functionality of this Global Fit Club is rather limited due to the fact that I'm not going to pay the membership fee, but you can still use the habit calendar sort of thing, adding a routine to your habit calendar, habit tracker, maybe even more than one or a couple, and that is quite a useful feature. Then if you would choose to activate the premium, you would also get more of the social features. You can also use it as a tracker for your activities. And but of course, the AI personal trainer, for instance, or the discounts are not available for the free version. What is available for the free version is though the calorie calculator. So calculation of how much calories you need to eat to remain in the current weight. The next one is STEP app. It is also known as FitFi. It is a unique project in Web3 space that combines fitness and blockchain technology and is specifically designed to promote the fitness through gamification. The STEP app incorporates the whole fitness metaverse, combining NFTs and digital avatars and workouts. Here again, users earn rewards by participating in physical activities, which are tracked through mobile application. The app also has a social component, allowing users to connect with friends and participate in challenges. The platform includes a platform for buying and selling the Sneak NFT, and it hosts limited edition drops of these NFTs. The value of them can be increased through participation in the app's activities. Also, STEP app is developing its own network, including decentralized exchange for trading, a bridge to the STEP network, and a transaction explorer. This network is intended to support a stable token price and create constant demand for tokens. But let's see in the future. There are the governance tokens that are used in the STEP app ecosystem, the FitFi. They facilitate payments, rewards, and provide users with voting rights. That's why they are called governance tokens. Holders can stake their tokens and earn also some passive income. Another type of tokens are the keycal, and they are also a crucial part of app's economic model. The app generates income through microtransactions, the stakes play, the tournament gaming, and NFT sales. A portion of this income is used for tokens buybacks and burns, and for distributing rewards to stakers. STEP app also has to be downloaded from the App Store, for instance. It has this logo of a sneaker, and it is also asking to log in or register. Since I'm registering, I need to give my email address, confirm my email address, because there I would also receive the code that I need to fill in. Okay, I'm copying the code from the email that I have just received and pasting it in, and here we go. It is asking me to track my activities, to send me notifications, and it's telling me that I already got a gift. It is a sneaker, basically, that is apparently a standard thing, but looking quite nice. Very Web3 style so far. It's asking me if I want to run right now. Right now, not. I want to record this instruction. So, what is there at all? The headsets, the sneakers, this is all kind of in-game experiences, in-game items that the users can purchase or receive in exchange for the rewards that they get for activities. So here is also the wallet. Wallet is also there. Inventory, marketplace. Marketplace is where you can buy and sell stuff. So, and the home page. So is this the workouts for different levels: beginner, medium, advanced. There is already the training pre-built. Let's say it like this, and also with instructions. With the video instructions, which is quite clear. Okay, advanced also has a lot, but actually a bigger list of different trainings. So we could do this if we want, and for that we would need to turn the camera on. Why? Because this way it's possible to first of all, confirm that we had a workout, and second of all, also AI coach would tell us if we are doing this exercise correctly or not, which actually I also find quite valuable. Also possible to start a run, or if we go for sneakers, there are also actually different items that can be purchased inside of this app. It is also warning us that if we purchase it, we cannot get rid of it for a while, so there is a lockup period, and that these FitFis, so the native tokens, they are on the Avalanche network. So one of the big blockchains. Okay, we can also connect it to, let's say, MetaMask and purchase some more. So we are not only limited to the tokens that we get for the activities, we can also buy some. So here, for instance, it will take us 366 calories to buy it. It's not a literal 366 calories. It is just a kind of denomination within the app. And then there is also different shoe boxes, headphone cases, some sort of boosters. You can see the rankings, who are the top players, or I would say the top athletes. You can select by rank, for instance, because apparently there is a lot of players globally. Now we see the global view of the top players. We can also select local ones. Apparently in Zurich, not so many players so far. You can also choose the different avatars. There are the standard ones, colorfuls, also the pros, but I guess the pros come at some sort of price. Then you get some statistics on how often you were using the app for different things. There is referral program. The profile data can be changed. You can also have the two-factor authentication settings. And there is a help center. I wouldn't be too surprised if it was also AI powered, just like the workouts within this app. So I'm actually welcoming you to try this. I like the gamified experience of it, and I also like this design. Honestly, very Web3 style. Okay, I'm gonna go and try out. The next app is probably one of the most famous ones. It's called STEPN, and it is primarily known for the same move to earn mechanism, but got a lot of traction. It encourages users to engage in walking and jogging and running. By doing so, users can earn in-game currency, primarily through the use of NFT sneakers, and this is what makes them special. The project is powered by the Solana blockchain, famous for its high throughput and low transaction costs. Additionally, STEPN has also integrated other blockchains such as Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum into its platform to broaden its functionality and accessibility. It has the tokenomics of the dual token. The platform uses a dual token economy comprising the green Satoshi token and the green Metaverse token. Green Satoshi token is a utility token that is earned through physical activities and used for various in-game purposes, like leveling up or repairing the sneakers, so virtual sneakers. And GMT, on the other hand, is the governance token used for higher level activities and features within the game. Users can earn GST by moving with NFT sneakers and can use this token for in-game transactions like sneakers upgrade or minting new sneakers. GMT tokens are more exclusive, requiring users to reach a certain level in the game to earn and use them. It partnered with many organizations such as ASICS and Atletico Madrid to launch NFT sneaker collections. This platform has also launched its decentralized exchange, DOAR, and introduced an anti-cheating system to maintain fair play. With a substantial user base, STEPN has effectively created a community around its concept. The platform has hosted various events and campaigns like STEPN to engage its users and offer them exclusive rewards. And of course, there is also the in-app marketplace that allows to buy, sell, or even lease NFT sneakers and other items, providing a space for virtual asset trading within ecosystem of the STEPN. STEPN is probably one of the most famous move to earn sort of apps, and also was quite popular for a couple of months among the Web3 community. So we downloaded the app and now I am trying to sign up. So to register, I need to provide my email address, and the second I provide it, I also get the verification code. So I copy and paste it in, almost instant. Okay, I paste it. Now I need to get the activation code. So how do I get it? Because it's not part of the email. That is, I need to get it. And to get it, I need to ask for it from the members of the community that are present already. There is lots of options. I can ask at a Discord or through Telegram. That is also separated or classified per language. I took the English-speaking STEPN community group. There is around more than 87,000 members. And I see the activation code. I take the latest one. I paste it. Okay. And now I am asked to select a chain because it's a multi-chain product. So Solana, BNB or Ethereum. I stick with Solana. That is the first option. And here is what I see. So I need to get a sneaker to use the app. And to get a sneaker, I need to buy it. And to buy it, I need to go to the marketplace. That is here. You can see the basically the prices. Every design of the sneaker is also somewhat different, also with different, let's say, qualities. This one is the jogger sneaker. They're also just the walker sneaker. So also depending on what exactly you do, if you prefer jogging or just walking. So you see, for instance, this is the jogger one, but the others are the walker ones. And I am offered to either create or import a wallet in order to pay for the purchase. When you buy the sneakers, you can also sell them afterwards. There is a lot of different options, but there is also some sort of a lock-in period. Are you going to try? Write down in the comments. And the last one on the list is SNKRZ. It's a next-generation Web3 fitness platform designed to encourage physical activity by rewarding users for their workouts like previous ones. It operates as a social fitness reward platform. This platform is noteworthy for its integration with various blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Polygon, and some others. The key features are the NFTs, SNKRZ NFTs. These are virtual shoes in the metaverse, which users can purchase and wear within the SNKRZ app. These NFTs are central to the platform's operations, enabling users to engage in various exercises like walking, running, cycling, and hiking. Users earn rewards in the form of Force and Fit tokens by performing activities tracked by the app. These activities are really very variable, and the amount of the reward varies based on the user's NFT's abilities. The app allows users to record and monitor their exercise data, including steps and calories burned as well. The app also offers various abilities to users and their shoes, such as stamina, fever, charisma, and so on, making it really a gamified experience. Also, there is such a thing as SNKRZ Land. This is a virtual space on an actual map where landowners can earn land points and receive Fit as rewards. As you can see, this app is really going into deep with the gamification. What is special about it is that users can sell their NFTs within the app or even on OpenSea. There is also a system for breeding the new SNKRZ out of the two existing ones and lease them out. The project is planning to expand globally and has strategies for also offline collaborations. The tokenomics ideas behind are, of course, including the multi-blockchain networks approach. But pay attention that so far the app is mainly for the runners. SNKRZ, or let me call it just sneakers, is this app. I have downloaded it now. And of course, it is asking me to allow it to track my activities. Otherwise, Move to Earn doesn't work. I enter my email address because I need to get the verification code and enter it. This is exactly what I'm doing right now. Okay, copy pasting it from the email address, confirming, and I need to, of course, agree that I'm over 14 and I agree to terms and services, privacy policy, and then we can proceed. Now it is asking me to select my gender and also some information about my body. I see that this is made for us to calculate the calories, so maybe, but I'm not exactly a fan of giving so much of personal information away. Then it is also asking to get my exact location because of the Move to Earn, so that it needs to see that I'm actually moving. As I say, I am moving. And the motion and fitness is to check the workout. Let's say I allow for a time being and I don't have an invite, and now I am here. I can select between different in-game assets, so different sneakers depending on how fast I tend to move. Let's say I would choose walking. I could also choose jogging. Let's say jogging. It has some different parameters. I can also modify it with different gems. The gems is something that needs to be purchased also on the marketplace. I can also level up, choosing a nickname for the shoe. I can call it "these shoes were made for walking, but it's actually jogging." Okay, it doesn't matter so much. Just giving it whatever name. So then it is also showing me the location where I am map-wise, and I can proceed with the different missions. So it gives different missions in terms of the level of exercise, 1 kilometer exercise, 3, 5, and so on. So for instance, if you are moving a lot, then you could select something like 5, 10 kilometers and then try to complete this mission. There is also a concept of different challenges. For instance, you can get into the challenges with other users, depending on, for instance, the location. There is Tokyo Tower 10K challenge. There are some others. You can also see how other users are ranking, how many kilometers they did. So basically how experienced they are. There are also some events that you can attend. So public events, also some other type of benefits. The trade is exactly to trade the, let's say, in-game assets. There is also a set of different rewards. You saw also Ethereum was available. And this is some statistics of my account. And I can see the different collections in the skin. Also change the parameters that I have initially given out. And also see the friends in my area. I'm ranking as the only one in this particular quartier where I'm located at the moment. But I can also buy, for instance, buy land. So buy the land where I am right now. For that, I would need to have the tokens, the FIT tokens, which I can purchase. And for that, I would need the app, the wallet. Okay, for instance, I can create a wallet, Ethereum based, or also select through Polygon or other networks.